Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. We're in a different setting and I look so tired because I literally am. It is 12:10 in the morning right now, but I have a bridal party in the morning and I need to clean my brushes. They're filthy. And I'm gonna show you guys the easiest way to clean your brushes, how I get my brushes super clean for very affordable, like using affordable product. All you need is Dial soap. This is the magic. This is the answer right here. So if you guys want to see how I got this video, just keep watching. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys like to see, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, as you guys can see, my brushes right now, they're super dirty. They just, man, I just need to clean them. And I'm showing you guys how it looks before, so you guys can see them after, like the before and after, how clean that this soap is going to get them. I love it just because it takes very little work. Well, it takes a long time because it's a lot of brushes. I'm gonna show you guys the brushes that are white so you can actually see the difference in them. So basically, of course, we'll be using a sink and hot ass water, extra hot water. Just a towel right here, and then my soap, making sure the water is hot. So basically all I'm gonna do is take the brush, get it in the water, lather it really well, and then rub it up against here. Like I'm very firmly rubbing it up against the soap. Put a little more water, and you already see, like, just by doing that, you see it starts to get clean. So then I'll take some more soap and get it all in there. Make sure the soap is in there good. And then I just squeeze it. I squeeze all the excess out. And you'll notice, like, that literally gets everything. And then I'll take my hand and I'll rub it on my hand. I try not to do this too much just because your hand will start to get raw, but just enough to get it all out of there. And then just squeezing all the excess out. And again, lathering it in there. This will probably be like the last time I do it also. And as you see, it's white for the most part, and you'll see it starts to get cleaner. But this is the secret right here, squeezing all that extra product out of there. And squeezing, you see, like you'll see when I squeeze it, like now it's white. So that's how you know that it's all the way clean, is when there's no more, like when you squeeze it and it's no suds and it's no like brown makeup or whatever color makeup. But you see how you can still see the suds? So I'm just gonna really make sure I run it again. And then voila, magic. Now you have a clean makeup brush. another one where you guys can actually see it. You see, it has the foundation on there. So again, my sink is stopped up and I don't want you guys to see all that. So I've wet the brush and dropped it. That's fun. Alright, now we really got to clean it. But the brush is wet, so I'm swirling it in the soap. Swirling it very thoroughly. And you'll start to see it gets very sudsy. I like for it to be super soapy too. So then when I do it, I just squeeze all the product out. And as you see, like, it literally gets all of it out. That looks really gross, but that's how you know it's getting clean. And then I just take it in the water and swirl it. So that's after the first layer. So that's when we'll do a second layer of soap. And at this time you can see that it's not as dirty. So now when I squeeze it, it's going to be like white because we've already got most of that foundation out of there. And then just run it in the water and get all that soap out. And so, boom. There you go. That's how you clean your makeup brush, guys. Okay guys, so now my brushes, as you guys can see, they are all clean. It takes me quite a while just because I have all these brushes, but yeah, as you guys can see, the results are good. So now I just let them dry overnight. Of course, I space them out just so they can dry. And I like when I lay them down, I lay them opposite of each other, like head and foot type, you know, just so that the bristles just really get dry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video.